Hey guys, I'll show you how to get a DeepSeek API key step by step. So first, open your browser and search for DeepSeek. Now scroll down and click on the first one. Make sure it's the official website. Once you click that, here you'll see two options, Start Now and Access API. Tap on Access API. So you'll arrive to this page. Inside the DeepSeek developer platform, this is where all your account tools, billing settings, usage details, and API options are located. On the dashboard, look for the section called API keys at the left side. Then tap on that. Once you open that section, you should see a button that says Create New API Key or Generate API Key depending on your device. Go ahead and click on that. Now, here you need to name your API key and confirm the action. So the website has now generated a key connected to your account. So this key is basically your private access code that allows outside applications to communicate directly with DeepSeek's AI models. Once the key appears on your screen, copy it immediately and save it somewhere like Notes file or Password Manager. Now, after copying the key, your DeepSeek API access is officially ready. So click on Done. Now, some users may also need to add billing information before the API starts working fully, especially if they plan on sending a lot of requests. So, if you see a billing tab on the left side, open it and make sure account is activated correctly. You can also check the usage or quota section to monitor how many API requests you have available. After that, you can paste this API key into platforms like Visual Studio Code, automation tools, AI browser extensions, chatbot apps, or customer software projects that support DeepSeek integration. Then just look for a field that says API key and paste the DeepSeek key inside. And that's basically it. That is how to get a DeepSeek API key step by step. Thank you for watching.